Welcome back. I hope you're doing great. As a part of this video, we'll understand the views, which is one of the database object. By the way, what are views? Views are virtual table which provide the access to a subset of column from one or more tables. So it is already there as a part of the definition. It is a virtual table. What exactly is a virtual table? We'll try to find out that as a part of this video. So view can derive its data from one or more tables. Assuming that you have a table with some 100 columns. But as a part of your work, you don't want to access all those 100 columns. So then you can just create a view from the important columns on which you want to work on. It is not necessary that you can create a view from only one table. You can create a view from multiple tables as well. So whenever you are working, you may have to create a query. The results of that query can also be stored as a view. When it comes to view acts like a small table. Means, as I already explained, a table with 100 columns, instead of working on that, you want to select only 10 columns and work on that. It is always easy to work on the small table, right? So view acts like a small table. And very important aspect is view does not physically take any space. When you have a table, it does take a space on the hard disk. But when you create a view, it does not physically take any space. That means a view itself do not contain any data. It is just a reference. If you remember, we discussed object is a data structure either to store the data or reference the data. This is the object which will reference the data rather than storing the data. Now, one of the very important thing is whenever you have multiple team members in a project, you don't want to give access to the tables to all the team members. Yet you want them to view the data. In that case, we can use a view so that it will not give access to the table, yet the team members can view the data. This is the syntax to create a view. So what we can do is we can say create and view. We are not creating a table, we are creating a view here, which is one of the database object. Then you can provide the name of the view and how obviously we are selecting the columns from a table from which you want to create a view. So this is the syntax for view. Wonderful. Let us see how to create a view as a part of our hands-on example in our next video.